we'll be looking at Fibonacci level. Personally, I use Fibonacci level to identify my premier zone and discount zone. So when it comes to Fibonacci retracement, I only make use of 50 level. From 50 to 100 is premier zone, while from 0 to 50 is discount zone. So what is discount zone? Discount zone is the area where I'll be looking for opportunity to buy. It's at that region that I'll be looking for imbalance and order block, right? The same thing if I want to sell, it's at premier zone that I'll be looking for opportunity to sell from the region of 50 to 100, and I will also be looking for imbalance order block in that region. Now looking at this market, this 50 retracement, it enables us to understand that there is a complete pullback. This is what we call a complete pullback because it reversed to 50 level of that zone. But it's possible for this price to reverse like this. This is not yet complete because it has not yet reversed to 50 level of that Fibonacci. Now, let me say this. You see a market like this, a breakout, right? This is our range, and we are expecting this reversal to come to 50 level of this gap and this gap. This is our low, but the market now move like this. You can't call this a complete pullback. Why? Because it did not reverse to 50 level of the range here. So you see this, right? You see this. Now this place will now be our high, while this place will be our low. So from here to here will now be our reaction swing range. You can go and watch video on reaction swing range so you understand what I'm talking about. So I will now make use of my Fibonacci level, which is 50. So expecting this market to reverse to 50 level before I start looking for opportunity to trade. Now this will now serve as my liquidities, expecting the price to sweep that level, then reversing to 50 level or below before pushing up. And I want you to understand this principle that when you are buying and selling, you must always look for opportunity to buy the market when the price is low or very low. And when you are selling, you are looking for opportunity to sell when the price is very high. This is what I'm talking about. You see something like this. This is a breakout of structure. I'm expecting this price to come to this low level, then buy at this demand zone, then push up. If I want to sell, you see market like this, right? This is high, this is low. So I'm expecting this is 50 level of Fibonacci. I'm expecting this price to reverse even to the low and come and touch the supply zone that is here. Then I will enter the market here. It's just a principle that you need to be aware of. You buy when the price of things is low and you sell when the price of things is high. Anytime I identify the range of the market RSR, I will now place my Fibonacci only to identify 50 level so that I will know the area where I'll be looking for opportunity to enter the market, right? So this is downtrend. Market is moving in downward direction. This is the recent lower high, the recent lower low. This lower high and lower low is our RSR, our reaction swing range. So I will place Fibonacci to identify the 50 level so that I will know the area where I will look for opportunity to sell the market. Because it is bearish, I'm selling, so I will wait for the price to move to discount zone before I look for opportunity to sell. Now I also used to make use of Fibonacci to refine my interest zone maybe the order block, I will divide it uh half, or maybe 1 hour order block or 4 hour order block. I will make use of 50 level of that order block as my entry. So when price reverse to that level on lower time frame, I will now be looking for opportunity to enter the market. Okay, looking at this, maybe on daily time frame, this is my order block, right? I will make use of the 50 level of that order block at lower time frame. So I will wait for the price to come to that order block, and it's from that point that I'll be looking for opportunity to enter the market. Okay, now let me show you how to make use of Fibonacci on the chart. Okay, looking at this chart personally, I want us to make use of Fibonacci retracement, how to draw it. So look at if you notice, if you notice this, you can see that this level before is our range. I mean, this level and this level is our range. So let's place Fibonacci retracement on it. Can you see? Now look at this. You can see that this price reverse below 50 level. Also pay attention to this. Look at this place. This is high, this is low. This is low, this is high. This, this place is low, while this place is what? High. So let's make use of Fibonacci day. Now, can you see that the price reverse below 50 level? This place is our discount zone, right? It's our discount zone. That is why you see the price reversing from that level. But you have to also look out for confirmation around this region. What are you looking out for? Order block and imbalance. So that is that. If you okay, another thing I used to do is that, let's look at this candle. This is a, let me say, a engulfing candle, right? Or let's say that this is your order block. I will just make use of Fibonacci also to identify the middle of that candle. So I will wait for the price to come to that 50 level before I look for opportunity to trade. Now if you look at this place, you can see that this price touched 50 level before pushing down. So this is how I used to make use of my Fibonacci retracement. I used to make use of it to identify premium and discount zone, and also to divide my interest zone to half and make use of the 50 level to position my trade.